Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the Wi-Fi adapter and turning off airplane mode so the interface is live. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Network or Mobile Hotspot. Make sure you run as an administrator if required. You set a clear SSID and a strong password now so clients can connect without delays. Also check power settings so the adapter won't sleep. This first step primes the laptop hardware and credentials so the hotspot creation proceeds smoothly. You now configure the hotspot specifics. Pick 4 GHz for broader compatibility or 5 GHz for higher throughput if both are available. Next, select which internet source to share, Ethernet, Wi-Fi bridge, or cellular, and enable internet connection sharing or the platform equivalent. Once configured, set a reasonable client limit and idle timeout so the laptop doesn't stay open unnecessarily. Make sure the Windows Firewall or Mac OS Firewall allows hotspot services. Adjust rules if a block appears. You finish by starting the hotspot and immediately verifying the SSID appears on a client device. Connect using the password you created and test browsing to confirm internet access. If a client receives no IP, renew DHCP lease on the client or restart the laptop's Wi-Fi adapter. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs and security apps, update wireless drivers, and as a last resort reset network settings. One key tip: driver updates often resolve intermittent hotspot failures, so check them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.